Namaskar. The purpose of this video is to make aware about what is going to happen in future. You must have read in the newspaper or you must have visited the website of the Honorable High Court. There you will find that there is a notice inviting your suggestions to the new digital court vision. And with reference to that, let me share with you, somewhere in 2004-2005, E-Court Committee was established by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Now today we are in the second phase of the E-Court Committee, which is implementing their different projects throughout India. There are around 19,000 courts which are established in India, and all are governed by this E-Court Committee. Now we are considering the third phase of this E-Court Committee project. Now as on today, the Honorable Chairman of this committee is Dr. Dhananjay Chandrachud, Judge of the Honorable Supreme Court, and the Vice Chairperson is Justice Arshid Sawant, former Judge of the Bombay High Court. And now they have come with a vision document about the phase 3. And they have called upon all of us to give our different suggestions with reference to this vision document of a digital court. What they are saying? They are saying that now filing will be available all 24/7. On all days you can file your matters. Payment of the court fee can be done at any point of time. That will be available 24/7. These are the new concepts which are being introduced by them. We are aware that the service of summonses or notices by electronic method is one of the such thing which has been introduced in the E-Court Committee phase 2. But now they are trying to go further, and now there will be a digital court which they are planning. This digital court will have a virtual platform where the filing will be done virtually, the discovery and the inspection will be done virtually, the examination will be done virtually, the case management will be done digitally. All these things which they have mentioned in this vision document. Don't you think that as an advocate, as a student of law, we will have to respond to that? These are the certain new things which they are trying to introduce for all of us. We are aware that there is a justice which is guaranteed under the Constitution. Not only that, it says political, economical and social justice. Apart from that, we are aware that there is a concept of open court and access to justice. If we club these two concepts, then I am sure we will have to welcome this. But they are expecting our suggestions. So my appeal to all my friends who are on that side, the appeal is, please go through that draft vision document, consider it, discuss among yourself and give them suggestions. Suggestions are required to be made and submitted before 7th of May to the Honorable Bombay High Court on the designated email, so that the same can be forwarded to the E-Court Committee of the Honorable Supreme Court. I am sure you will consider this as one of the opportunity to share our thoughts to bring reforms in our judicial system. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.